Hello viewers, this is Rajiv Bhomik and you are watching my channel Make Things Easy. This video is on innovation. In this video, I am going to tell you what is innovation, why innovation is needed, innovation process cycle, where innovation is needed, difference between creativity, invention and innovation, design and development as per ISO, world's top innovative companies, etc. So watch this video till the end. He is Mr. Thomas Edison, the famous inventor of America. He told there is a way to do it better, find it. So let us understand what is innovation. Innovation happens when someone improves on or makes a significant contribution to something that has already been invented and converting the knowledge into a wealth is called innovation. So innovation is equal to creativity plus commercialization. Let us understand innovation in other way. There are three things in innovation. What is desirable to users? What is possible with technology? And what is viable in the marketplace? So all these three things are involved in innovation. Why innovation is needed? Turbulent and rapidly changing economy, organizations prepare themselves to innovate on a continuous basis. Otherwise, their survival chances are seriously threatened. So, innovation is very much needed. Now I'll tell you about innovation process cycle for new product development. First is market demand of a product. Second is creative idea of individual or multiple employees. Collaborative creative ideas for that new product. Scientific evaluation of making that product. Developing that new product. Testing and analysis of that developed product as per desired requirements. Actual implementation, that means seeing the feasibility of doing mass production. Review of above all actions. Fine tuning as per final review to meet the exact requirements. Customer trials, sample basis at few customer ends to get the customer confidence. And finally, the product launch with pricing of the product. So this is the innovation process cycle for new product development. Other than new product development, innovation is needed in other areas also. Improving quality, creation of new markets, extension of the product range, reducing labor cost, improving production process, reducing materials, reducing environmental damage, that means saving the environment, reducing energy consumption, that means saving energy. Conformance to regulations. So these are the various areas where innovation is needed. Professor Jan Fagerberg, a renowned personality in the field of innovation, he told invention is the first occurrence of an idea for a new product or process, while innovation is the first attempt to carry it out into practice. Now let us understand what is the difference between creativity, invention and innovation. Creativity is a novel idea that are useful and appealing. Invention is creating something new to the world. Innovation is converting the invention into a form of product or services with strategic, marketing and technical skill. In the picture, you can see how invention of light turned into innovation according to time. As per ISO 9001, we shall try to understand what are the various steps or clauses in design and development. Here, ISO means International Organization for Standardization. First is design and development planning. In planning stage, things to be considered are nature, duration, complexity of the project, required process stages, verification and validation activities, responsibility and authority, resources needed, customer involvement. Second is design and development inputs. In input stage, things to be considered are functional and performance requirements, information from previous similar design, statutory and regulatory requirements, potential consequence of failure. Third is design and development controls. In control stage, things to be considered are defining the results to be achieved, review of results, verification of design activities and validation, action after review if needed. Fourth is design and development outputs. In output stage, following things to be ensured. Output meet the input requirements, outputs are adequate, outputs can be proved by measurement, output characteristics are fulfilling the intended purpose. Fifth is design and development changes. In change stage, it is to ensure that any changes in between or after development, there will not be any adverse impact on conformity to requirement. So these are the various clauses as per ISO 9001 for design and development. Let us see few top innovative companies in the world. Toyota, Amazon, Google, Tesla, Microsoft, Sony, Facebook, IBM, Samsung, Apple, Netflix, Snap. So viewers, I hope you have liked this video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. and share this video, like this video, and if you want to comment something, please leave your comment in the comment section. And thank you once again for watching this video.